Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to withdraw Bitcoin to another wallet. Right now log into your account. This is one of my accounts, and after logging into this account we go to withdraw. Then from now we click on crypto, and first of all you need to enable the crypto withdrawal on your account. If you don't have any idea how to do this, check out the other video on my channel where I explain you exactly how to do this. Then we click on Bitcoin, and then they are warning you that Bitcoin never asks customer to make withdrawals, share login details, or download software. So keep that in mind. Then from now we click on I acknowledge the risk associated with crypto withdrawals, and then we do continue. Right now we need to create or make a new Bitcoin address. So we click on create new address. Then we do Bitcoin, then we do continue, and then we need to throw it to a wallet. Now you have more than 460 wallets right here, but for now, for example, we will do Trust Wallet. So then we click on Trust Wallet, and then please make sure that you scan this QR code with your Trust Wallet. Then you create a new address on your Bitvavo account, for example, to send Bitcoin to. So after scanning this with your Trust Wallet, he create a address on your Bitvavo account, and then we can send it to our Trust Wallet. So this is exactly how this works. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. Then for now, have a wonderful day and thanks for watching.